here. Welcome to my unicorner.
I feel like I can almost touch it.
Sarah and I are just trying out these new special headsets.
That was so cool.
These let you see some videos in a special way so you can look all around.
It can even show you some videos in 3D.
Hey, that gives me a bright idea. It's time for Show and Tell.
Oh, yes!
I'll show you some of my favorite things in the unicorner and tell you all about them.
If you have a headset like this at home, put it on and press the VR icon on the video.
And if you don't, that's okay. We'll still show you everything.
And tell you all about it since this is Show and Tell.
So, you already know the unicorner is my own special place where I keep some of my favorite things, right? But did you know that the unicorner is a real corner in my basement? I just looked at it a little differently. Ready? Show
And tell. Show, show, and tell.
Remember these? These may look like ordinary paper towel rolls, but we decorated them, and now they're Uni-Talkies! Hello!
How's it going up there?
Be bold, be you, be unicorn! Woo!
These might look like socks, but to us, they're juggling balls. Wait,
Whoa! Where are they? No! One of my balls is missing! I can't find it! Where is it? Oh, here it is! It's on the floor! Here it is! This may look like an ordinary box.
but to us, it's a pirate ship.
Yay! We're in a terrible storm! Whoa!
Whoa! Look! A narwhal!
Whoa! It just jumped right over us! Whoa!
These might just look like regular bubbles.
But to us, we're scuba diving! Woo! Hi, Unituna! Thanks for hanging out with us today! And remember, it doesn't always take a fancy headset to look at things in a whole new way. Just be bold,
Be you and be